Hey everyone, my name is Marjorie, also known as Mama Marge. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and give a quick hello and say thank you for stopping by and watching my video and to welcome you all to my channel. Also, if you like this video, at the end, please help me out and give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share. So, with that said, let's get into it and I hope you enjoy.
Leaves are changing colors, collecting when they hit the ground. I don't think fall would be quite as pretty if you weren't around. Nights are getting cold, light a fire. Won't you hold me dear? Won't you hold me close? Winter's just ahead and trees are glaring at the ground below. Stealing all their leaves, all their left naked except for some snow. We're building men that soon will melt and be forgotten, but we can't forget these times. I'm home, oh. I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. I know I'm home. The sun regains its confidence and lets the birds come out to sing. Greeting all the flowers and the trees back in time for the spring. Oh, I'll grab my boots and darling, take my hands and we'll go for a walk and be gone for some time. I'm home, oh. I'm home, I'm home, oh. I'm home, I know I'm home. I'm home, I'm home.
I built you a boat to get around, and we laughed so we didn't have to hear the sound of the water as it came in, of the water as it came in. I don't know what it is about this heart of mine. A lightning bolt off the starting line, but I lose it in the corners every time, every time. I lose it in the corners every time, every time, every time. I made sure my words were made of gold. What I could not afford, I stole. But all that's borrowed is old. All that's borrowed is old. I don't know what it is about this heart of mine. A lightning bolt off the starting line, but I lose it in the corners every time, every time. I lose it in corners every time, every time, every time, every time.